So yummy. Perfect. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a banana oats porridge. Alright, so first remember to like all my videos, subscribe to my channel and share my videos guys. Alright, and leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this nice porridge when I'm finished with it. Alright guys, so let's go right into the video. Let's dive right into the main video. Alright, so I have here guys two bananas, two large green bananas. So I have guys oats with my bananas and I'm using Fosca oats. I have my cinnamon stick and cinnamon leaf. I have also cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is very good guys. Don't have any vanilla, so I'm using some rose water, almond, salt to taste. I'm gonna use some coconut milk, yes, and I have regular sweet milk and maybe a little sugar. It depends, but you don't want your porridge to be too sweet. Well, especially for me, I don't want my porridge to be too sweet. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get right into it. I have my bullet here, so in order to make this porridge and let it come together, I have to blend them. Alright, so blending the banana with the oats to get that nice smooth taste. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright guys, first I'm gonna get the pot going. Water is already in it. So I'm gonna just allow it to boil. Meanwhile, I'm getting the ingredients ready. So I'm going to add my oats. And the other ingredients to the blender. Alright, so I'm gonna use roughly 1 cup of oats to these 2 bananas. Alright. Roughly a cup of oats guys. I'm gonna add the bananas to the oats. And it's green banana. Alright, I'm gonna add the coconut milk, give it a nice flavor. If you have the milk, the tin version or the real coconut, even better. So I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm gonna add the water. Oats is very absorbent. It will use up your liquid in no time. Alright, so let's cover this and I'm going to blend. Put this spice aside. So there you have it, I blend it, and for me I like to have bits of banana in my porridge. Hopefully it's not all blended out. Alright, so I'm allowing the pot to boil properly before adding the ingredients. I'm going to add the cinnamon leaf to the pot for it to boil. Cover it and allow it to boil guys. So while that is taking place guys, I love porridge. So any type of porridge I can make, I make for breakfast, school, easy for the children to go to school. So easy, just whip up the banana and the oats, in no time it's ready for breakfast. Alright, so Don't be afraid to do this recipe. Alright, guys, the pot is already boiling, so I'm gonna add the ingredients that I blended earlier. Consistent stirring is the key for porridge. When you're making porridge, you have to stir it consistently. Alright, we don't want the lumps, so stirring consistently is the key so that you get some more water to wash like this, and then keep on stirring. Alright, add a bit of salt to taste. I love porridge. I love porridge. Add a bit of cinnamon now. And I forgot to mention some nutmeg. Gonna add that shortly. Stir consistently to get rid of lumps and sticking. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Add this and stir. Nutmeg smell nice. So guys, it's a little thick, so I'm gonna add some more water. And this is as a result of the oats. Right, so it's good now. Keep on stirring. So banana is easy to cook, oats is easy to cook. So just give in the milk and everything else to cook properly before it's ready. Teaspoon of this because it's very strong. It's rosewater almond. Spice up your baking and your porridge. So guys, because banana have a color when it cooks, it must have a little color for porridge, and you'll know that it's cooked. Alright, let's have a little brownish color. Yes, it's not plain white anymore. It has a little brownish color. Alright, so we'll be there in no time. We are about to turn off the stove and we are about to sweeten our porridge. Alright, some person blend up them sweetener with the ingredients. I do that sometimes. Alright, but I'm gonna sweeten it after the fact. So I'm gonna turn off the stove. Now I'm gonna add my milk. Milk to taste. Alright, this is sweet milk. So you're gonna sweeten to taste. And this is a little brown sugar. Just add a little to your taste and whitening, alright? Let's taste this a bit. Perfect. Perfect, guys. No more milk, no more sugar. It's perfect. I'm going to dish this out now. So I'm gonna dish this now, guys. And who like to have their porridge with 2 slices of sourdough bread? I do. So let's get this going. Yummy. Yummy, guys. Yummy. And there you have it, guys. My banana oatmeal porridge. See? And I'm having this with some sliced sourdough bread. Yummy, 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 yummy. Just look at it, guys. So yummy. So yummy. My banana oatmeal porridge. And I'm having it with some sourdough bread, 2 slices of sourdough bread. And it's brown whole wheat. Alright, so go ahead and try this menu, guys. Easy breakfast menu for the children and the entire family. You can sweeten to taste. You can don't sweeten at all if you don't want any sugar or any milk. You can just do it and add some almond milk while cooking, and that's it for the entire family. Guys, as I said before, remember to watch all my videos. Alright, guys. So guys, I'm gonna taste my porridge. I'm gonna have my porridge. So nice, guys. Take a bite. And my sourdough bread, I normally add it to the porridge and have my bread with it. So yummy, guys. So yummy. Go ahead and try it. So yummy.